Good day. My name's James Huddleston, and I'm the developer of the generic role-playing game aid for Foundry Virtual Tabletop, which, in my opinion, is the best virtual tabletop out there. And I've tried Roll20 and Fantasy Grounds as well. It allows support of various game systems, add-on modules, and allows you to create your own game worlds. GRPGA is unlike other game systems in that it supports more than one rule set. The way it does this is by creating a generic batch of items that are useful in any role-playing game and allowing users to define their own character sheets, so to speak. And I support the various different systems rule sets, so the game mechanics that are used by each of them. So I'm just going to give you some examples of what one Palladium fan has created, and this is a character for Palladium Fantasy role-playing game first edition, heavily modified, house ruled, and he was able to create these using the tools that I've provided. And he can make skill rolls, which we can see then in the chat. The whole point is to have the player be able to make rolls with context that everybody can see, share information like this, roll attacks, roll damage, all of with modifiers and so on. If somebody's wounded, that makes changes, and oops, there we are. And all the other players in the Game Master know what's going on. So I do want to show you what I've done for rifts. And there we have, as you can see, the standard rifts character generation worksheet. And what I've done is, instead of tinkering with it, I've created a spreadsheet that links to the information and allows you to export it. As quickly as refreshing the data in Excel, then copying the results, opening up a template actor for Palladium, pasting the results in, and importing them. And now, apart from fiddling with the artwork and so on, you have a usable actor. And roll with punches, roll initiative, turn on the hand-to-hand, which changes a number of features, roll their skills, and everybody knows what's going on. And it's that simple. Now, if that character then increases in level, and we're about to see some changes here, and changes done by the character sheet inherent behavior, we can then re-import after refreshing. Can re-import the data into Foundry, into that same actor, and it will update So now you should see that the hand-to-hand expert will give 6 instead of 5 actions per round, and so on. All of the rest of it is updated. And that's about all I have to show you. Basically, as is, GRPGA is able to permit Palladium players to create their own campaign settings, create their own actors, use this Rift's character sheet to quickly import Rift's characters, and get playing. It doesn't have any intellectual property embedded in it. That would all be located in here, or could be provided by the company for sale, and then purchased and then installed in Foundry with all of your skills or your weapons or the different rule books or anything you like, as other companies are doing, like the Savage Worlds or Pinnacle Entertainment is doing for Savage Worlds. All of those things are possible here, but GRPGA is independent of that and just provides the engine on which those things can be operated. Thanks for your attention. Cheers.